In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can invite someone new to your organization with confidence. This walkthrough is perfect if you're an account owner or an admin with permission to manage users. Start by opening Xero in your browser and signing in as you normally would. Once you're on the Xero homepage, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct organization, especially if you work across multiple entities. You'll typically see your organization's name at the top of the screen. That's also where you'll find the company menu, which is the key to getting into your account-level tools. Open the company menu by clicking your organization's name. This drop-down houses all the high-level options you'll use to manage your account. From here, choose Settings. Settings is where Xero keeps the organization-wide controls, including user management, permissions, and related preferences. If you don't see Settings, you may not have the right access, so you'll want to check with whoever administers your Xero organization. Inside Settings, look for the Users option. Click Users to open the User Management area. This page shows a list of everyone who currently has access to your organization, along with their status and role. It's a helpful place to quickly review who's in your system and make sure your team is up to date. To add someone new, click Invite a User. This is usually a clearly labeled button on the user's page. Clicking it will open Xero's invitation flow, where you'll follow the on-screen prompts to complete the invite. Xero will guide you through the details it needs and handle sending the invitation to the new person for you. If anything looks unfamiliar, don't worry. Xero provides context in the panel so you can proceed confidently. A few quick tips as you work through this. Make sure you're inviting the right person to the right organization, since access applies to the organization you've selected. If the Users option or the Invite button isn't visible, your login likely doesn't have permission to manage users, so you'll need an admin to do this step. And if the layout looks different from what you expect, try refreshing the page or checking that you're on the latest version of your browser. That's it. Open the company menu, go into Settings, head to Users, and click Invite a User. Follow Xero's prompts, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide while you're working in Xero.